Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, everyone. Here with us, I am Suarsono from World Class, and next to me,
And I'm Ira Rahmawati from Gold Class.
I am Zahra Zen Sasabila from Gold Class.
okay, we will talk about cross-cultural understanding about Switzerland because this is assignment from our LAs. Okay. By the way, how are you?
Yeah, just so sad.
Just so
Because
just
I'm
so
busy.
because many duties, yes.
Yes, many
Okay.
duties.
The last month from this student many duties. Okay. So this is make us confused.
I'm busy. I'm stressed out.
Okay. By the way, talking about Switzerland. Do you know about New Zealand? How do you know about New Zealand?
I know Switzerland about the fun fact.
Fun fact. Okay. What the fun fact from New Zealand?
The first fun fact is there are 4 official languages.
Okay, you can tell about that.
Switzerland is divided into 4 different language regions.
Mm.
French in the western part, Italian in the southern part, Romance in some areas of the southeast, and Swiss German in the rest. But don't worry, you can get by speaking English in major cities like Zurich, Geneva, and other tourist destinations. Of course, learning some new phrases won't hurt.
Wow. Okay. Do you want to addition about the fun fact in Switzerland?
Yeah, especially Switzerland has other fun fact. The fun fact is pristine water around. Yeah, Switzerland boasts some of the finest drinking water around the world. In fact, their tap water has a much better ecological balance than the average bottled mineral water. All you need to do is to bring your water bottle and refill from one of the many drinking fountains, and you're good to go. Yes, you can drink directly the water from Switzerland, not like in Indonesia, you must cook first the water, but you can directly drink the water if you stay in Switzerland.
Oh yeah, this is pristine weather around in Switzerland. This is good, yes. So we can directly drink the water. But different with in Indonesia, yes.
Yes.
Indonesia, so we must boil the
Yes.
water and then we can drink or consumption the water in Indonesia. Okay, could you addition about that?
There is no cars allowed in some villages.
Ooh.
If you are planning to drive around Europe, one of the most important facts about Switzerland to know is that there are several places that don't allow cars. Instead, you can take a train, bus, and even a boat to reach the village and enjoy the tranquil atmosphere. The best part is that getting around is even easier and more affordable with the Swiss Travel Pass. Experience free travel by boat, bus, and train and discover the finished sights Switzerland has to offer.
Oh, so if we live in Switzerland, we have to use public transportation. Yes. Okay. And then, how do you know again about the Switzerland?
Yes, I know about unique culture
Unique
from
culture. Okay.
Switzerland. Yes.
Could you tell about the unique culture from Switzerland?
Yes, one of unique culture from Switzerland that is South Switzerland. If you ever got the chance to visit Switzerland, I'm sure you have noticed the CH sticker on the back of every car. And if you ever visit there, have you ever wondered what this stands for? If you didn't know, we're going to tell you now. It's a reference to a trip of people who were inhabitants of Switzerland 20 years ago.
Mm.
One of the largest tribes that used to live in that area that today is known as Switzerland
Mm.
was the Helvetians. Part of the Celtic tribes, CH stands for Confederatio Helvetica, which is the formal name of the modern Swiss Confederation. Even the Renaissance writers used to refer to the region that is now Switzerland as Helvetian.
Okay. By the way, I never go there,
Oh,
so I don't know about Celtic Switzerland. Okay. Could you addition about unique culture in Switzerland?
There is Romance Switzerland.
Mm.
While attempting to move to southern France from Switzerland, the Celtic Helvetians were stopped by the Romans. They were forced to return. The Romans were able to conquer the lands of Switzerland for an extended period.
Mm.
Even in the modern day, many urban structures originate from the time of Roman rule. Some of the most important cities in Switzerland, such as Zurich Tourism, Basel Basilia, Geneva Geneva, and Lucena, were founded either by the Romans or Celtic Helvetians.
Okay. Could you addition again about the Celtic culture?
yes.
I heard about the dynastic Switzerland. Do you know about dynastic Switzerland?
I know just little.
Okay.
Yes. Dynasty Switzerland is the Habsburg family was the dynasty that shaped the history of Switzerland and Europe itself.
Mm.
Yes. The population didn't admire them since they had settled on their property, which is now Swiss territory, and they conflicted with independent people who they took the land from. After many years, the communities came together and they managed to get control of the country, taking the territory from the Habsburg family.
Mm. So
Something like that.
the unique culture of Switzerland has Celtic Switzerland, Roman Switzerland, and dynastic Switzerland. Yes. Okay. And then, do you know about famous and language from of Switzerland?
Famous and language Switzerland. There are four languages in Switzerland.
Fourth language.
Yes. Uh, German, French, Italian, and Romance.
Romance. Do you want learn about the German language, French language, Italian, or Romance? Do you want to
I
learn?
think no,
No, what?
because
Why?
English is so difficult. Maybe German, French, Italian, Romance.
But
More
I heard,
difficult.
but I have heard about the German. Yes, German and English. This is
Sam.
no different more, no different more. So this is like same. If you can learn about English, after that you can learn about the German. Okay, by the way, next about our topic, the famous thing of the Switzerland. Do you know what the famous thing about that?
I know one of famous things
Mm.
from Switzerland that's like historical place.
Mm.
The place is the name Seelen Castle.
Mm.
Seelen Castle it is an island castle situated in the eastern part of Geneva Village in Vaud. During the Roman period, this medieval castle was a strategic outpost from where the army could guard the Alpine Pass. Various writers from the 8th century Romantic age, including Rousseau, Alexander Dumas, Victor Hugo, Mary Shelley, Gustave Flaubert, and Lord Byron, have visited this place to get inspiration for their literary outposts. Yes, this historical place.
Mm.
There's many historical in Zealand Castle.
Mm. Do you know about the other famous thing of Switzerland?
I know about Keppel Bridge.
Keppel Bridge. Okay.
It
What is
is
Keppel Bridge?
a splendid wooden bridge built over the Ries River. It is also the oldest terrace bridge in the world. This bridge holds a unique place among national and international tourists due to the water tower and numerous paintings that it contains. This tower used to be a prison and a chamber for torturing convicts. Presently, the locals have no access to this water tower.
Okay. Then and do you know okay you could addition
Yes.
about the famous thing?
If you like hiking, you can try one of mounts from Switzerland. Switzerland has one of mount. It's beautiful mount. The mount is Mount Pilatus.
Mount
Yes.
Pilatus.
Mount Pilatus is the spectacular natural beauty of snowy mountains comes among the list of first few things Switzerland is famous for. To witness the grand form of nature, you must visit Pilatus Mountain. It is a picturesque mountain with numerous snow-capped peaks. Horn is the highest peak of this mountain, with a height of 2,128 meters. If you visit this mountain from May to November, you can get the chance to reach the top of this mountain via train or cable car. Yes. You can feel snowy if you hiking and try mount from Switzerland.
By the way, I don't like I dislike about hiking or climbing. I dislike. Yeah.
What
So I don't have
experience?
experience about that about hiking.
As usual, all of the boys like hiking.
Yes,
like
but I
climbing.
dislike about that because the hiking made me tired.
Oh,
Made me tired.
you easy get tired.
Yes. Okay. By the way, how about education of in Switzerland?
The education system in Switzerland is compulsory education, kindergarten, primary, and lower secondary.
Secondary.
Last 11 years in Switzerland. After that, the path typically leads to general education or vocational education and training. As can be seen below, in many contents, there is a big choice to be made aged 14 until 15 after lower secondary school. Around 2 until thirds of young people opt for vocational training. This is teenagers training on the job while also attending 1 until 2 days of vocational school a week. It is a system which has a good reputation. Internationally, it's been called the gold standard of vocational training.
But so same like in Indonesia, yes. In there have the kindergarten and primary and lower secondary. But the the last child in Switzerland, uh, 11 years. Yes, 11 years. Okay. And then how about currency?
Currency from Switzerland, the name is Swiss francs.
Swiss francs. It's different about other countries. Yes.
Yes.
In American dollar, in Europe, have euro
sterling,
and pound sterling.
yeah.
In Indonesia have has
Rupiah.
has rupiah. Yes. Okay.
But currency from Switzerland has history.
Mm.
Yes, before the Helvetic Republic,
Mm.
before 1798, about 75 entities were making coins
Mm.
in Switzerland, including the 25 cantons and half cantons, 16 cities and abbeys, resulting in about 1860 different coins in circulation with different values, denomination, and monetary system. But actually, the historical about currency from Switzerland is so long. Yeah, I
Mhm.
just tell you some of. You can
Yes.
search and read by yourself.
Yes, yes. Of course, of course.
It's so long, just
Okay,
historical.
okay. And then this is about currency, yes, of Switzerland. And the last, I think many countries have the traditional food, yes, like Indonesia. Such as Indonesia, many so many traditional food
Yes, because
like
so many provincial and land,
different province, different district, different village, many
different
traditional
culture.
food. Yes, different culture. Okay, how about the traditional food of Switzerland?
Uh, I think raclette
Mhm.
is melted cheese served with jagged potatoes,
Mhm.
cocktail gherkins, and onions, as well as pickled fruit.
Onion. Okay, this is delicious.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, because you has test or you have test this food or no?
Haven't.
Haven't. Okay. And next, any else?
Actually, I'm curious. One of traditional food from Switzerland. The traditional food is Swiss cheese.
The Swiss cheese. Oh, okay.
Because cheese is one of my favorite food. I like
Ooh.
all of about cheese. Yes.
Oh.
I'm curious about it. And Swiss cheese is one could quite easily explore Switzerland traveling from cheese diary to cheese diary. Each area of the country, each region has its own types of cheese. The diversity of products created from one single base ingredients, good Swiss meal, is quite astonishing, such as, for example, the soft and melting Farcian cheese, the aromatic Appenzeller, the full-flavored Sprints, the Emmentaler, famous for its big holes. Yeah, that is actually I know others traditional food from Switzerland, but
Yeah.
I interest to Swiss cheese because cheese is my favorite food.
You like cheese, yes?
Yes, I like all about cheese.
Oh, I think you like mouse. You like the mouse because the mouse is like sweet like cheese. Ah.
Different cheese with
Oh,
mice.
different cheese. Okay.
Different cheese with
Okay.
mouse.
Any other else?
There is rosti. Rosti
Rosti. Okay.
is a flat,
Uh,
hot cake made of grate, cooked, jagged or raw potatoes and fried in hot butter or fat. The dish is won by nothing apart from the starch contained in the potatoes.
okay. You can addition
Yeah,
about the traditional food.
if you dislike cheese, don't worry.
Oh.
Switzerland
No,
has.
I dislike.
Oh, you
I don't
like.
dislike, but I like,
Not
but no.
just so you
That's
like.
also yes. That's also.
You can try Swiss chocolate from Switzerland.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh no.
Oh, you
I
dislike
dislike
chocolate.
chocolate. I
Chocolate
dislike
is sweet,
chocolate.
but yeah,
Ah.
that's also I like it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Swiss chocolate is chocolate came to Europe in the course of the 16th century. By the 17th century, at the very latest, it became known and was produced in Switzerland as well. In the second half of the 19th century, Swiss chocolate started to gain a reputation abroad. The invention of milk chocolate by Daniel Peter, as well as the development of Consing by Rodolphe Lin, were closely connected with the rise of Swiss chocolate renown. Yes. Don't worry if you dislike chocolate. If you dislike cheese, you can try Swiss chocolate from Switzerland.
Between chocolate and cheese, I prefer cheese.
Cheese, yeah.
Yes. Because the cheese, no sweet, yes. It is not sweet.
Definitely, you think the taste of chocolate is bitter, right?
Ah,
They're not sweet.
the chocolate
It's not all of.
I dislike. Okay. By the way, we talk about Switzerland. Do you wanna go to Switzerland?
Especially, I have my dream country, but
Uh,
I ever watch movie from India.
India,
The
Hollywood,
Indian, yes,
Hollywood.
Bollywood.
Oh, Bollywood.
Bollywood,
Oh,
yeah.
yes, yes, Bollywood.
This,
Shahrukh Khan, Shahrukh
yeah,
Khan. Oh.
yeah. Switzerland always use the production from Indian to take
Uh,
the movie.
uh,
So I know about Switzerland, but
mm,
especially I want to visit London because London is my dream country.
oh,
Yeah, but just also it's okay.
okay.
You
How
can
about
try.
you? How about you? What uh, what's your dream country?
I
American,
think
Australia,
Turkey.
Turkey? Uh, you can study abroad or get the job.
Uh, Cappadocia is from Turkey, right?
Huh?
Nah,
You can get the
I
job on
wanna
that.
go to Cappadocia for holiday.
Oh, just for holiday. Oh, so rich, yes.
Just traveling, you
Oh,
don't
just
want to
travel.
stay over.
Okay, okay, okay. By the way, there are about Switzerland, yes. Okay, thank you very much for your information. The conclusion, okay, everyone. Switzerland has many culture, yes. The fun fact, there are four official language and Palestine were around. No cars allowed in some village. And then the unique culture from Switzerland, there are Celtic Switzerland, Roman Switzerland, and dynastic Switzerland. And the famous thing in Switzerland, there are Chilean Castle, rainfalls, Mount Pilatus, and Cable Bridge. But many other famous thing in Switzerland. And then the Switzerland has language. There are German, French, Italian, and Romance. And education in Switzerland, there is compulsory compulsory education. This is in kindergarten, primary, and lower secondary. Last 11 years in Switzerland. After that, the path typically leads to general education or vocation. Education and training, as can be seen below. In many cantons, there's a big choice to be made at age 14 until 15 after low secondary school. And then currency of Switzerland. This is Swiss francs. And the traditional food of Switzerland are uh, raclette, rosti, Swiss chocolate, and Swiss cheese. Okay, there are from us. Thank you very much for your nice attention. The last we say, wassalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.